everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the 5-count riff. So, 5-count riff. Let's go ahead and start. These tend to build on themselves. So, the 5-count riff is the very first one in the series, and then it just keeps going up from there, 6, 7, 8. So, I'll go over the 6, 7, 8, and so on in future videos, but we're going to start with this 5-count riff, the very first one. Okay, so to start a 5-count riff, I'm going to show you the side view because it's a little bit easier to see what my feet are doing than having a back view. So when you start a 5-count riff, you want to think about starting on a step. You're going to step a little bit behind you, and you're just going to step on that metal front toe. So you're going to step a little bit behind you. I've also seen it done as a toe, but I tend to just do it as a step. It's easier for me. So starting with a step, you're going to push your toe on the ground, and you're going to hit your heel. You're going to scuff your heel on the floor. Okay? So it should be like a step and then a scuff. So you're going to step down, push it forward until you hit that scuff, your heel on the floor. So again, this is probably the trickiest part of the whole thing. So again, starting with that toe or the step, you're going to push and scuff your heel. So slower, it should go step, push, and then scuff. Okay? So after that step, scuff, you're then going to drop your heel on your standing foot leg. And then to finish it out, you're going to do a heel dig and then drop that toe. Okay? So it's 5 sounds. That's why it's called the 5-count riff, because it's 5 sounds. So to start again, we have that step is 1, scuff is 2, heel drop is 3, heel dig is 4, and then the toe drop is 5. Okay? So let's try it nice and slow. Here we go. Put those steps all together and a little bit more fluid, continuous. Okay, so we have step, scuff, heel, heel, drop, heel dig, toe drop. Okay, again, step, scuff, heel drop, heel dig, toe drop. Again. Okay, let's try some left side now to work that out. So left side, again, starting with that step, push through a scuff, heel drop, dig, and then toe drop. Here we go again. Toe, scuff, heel, dig, toe. Again. Okay, let me show you back view now, okay? So, right foot again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Good, let's try some left side now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. One more time. Good, nice. These are a little bit awkward when you start them slow, but when you get faster at them, they have some really cool sounds to them, and they're pretty fun to do. So let's try them a little bit faster now. Still with that nice even toe or step scuff. Let's do a few in a row. I'm going to try to go all the way to the edge of my board here so that I can make it across. Let's do like 4 in a row. So starting on your right foot, we're going to go right, left, right, left. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's start left foot now. Here we go, 4 in a row again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done, good. So the main part of it, the trickiest part is that step scuff. The rest of it's pretty simple, right? Step, scuff, heel, dig, toe. Okay? I see a lot of my students getting confused that it starts with a step, scuff, heel, and then ends with a dig, toe. A lot of them want to do the step, scuff, heel, step, heel, but you got to remember, step, scuff, heel. Get your foot in that flex position so that your heel comes down first, and don't think toe, think heel. Drop your heel first, and then your toe drop. Okay? If you wanted to take these a little bit faster, they tend to turn into what are called walking riffs or riff walks, which is more of kind of like a swing rhythm instead of that nice even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They tend to turn into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? I'm not sure if those are the right counts, but you'll see in a minute the rhythm changes. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're now going to turn into 1 and 2. Right there, that's where it's going to be fast. Okay? It's that toe, scuff, heel that turns fast. And then the heel drop, or the heel dig, toe drop, just naturally come afterwards. Okay? So again, the faster parts are going to be that toe, scuff, heel. Okay? Again. So the one part that I would recommend working on to get faster is that first part. Just stand in place and do that toe, scuff, heel. And then again. And again. Make sure that you practice them until you can get all 3 sounds, okay? You don't want to kind of forget about one of the sounds, right? And just try to like rush through them. So make sure you're getting all 3 sounds nice and clear. Okay, that's what I would recommend practicing first, just starting that 3 count one. And then once you get that, adding on that heel drop, the dig, and then the toe drop. Okay, rip walks are more of an intermediate level, so if you don't feel like you're ready for that, just stick with the nice, even paced ones, okay? So say you wanted to take it up to a more advanced level, you would do them faster, okay? So you would go, instead of just going, which is still a nice walking pace, even pace. If you want to take up the tempo, you would go more like 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Let's try some left side now. So you want to get left side primed as well for that toe, scuff, heel, step, scuff, heel. Okay, and then we can start faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Good. Let me show you the back view of that real quick so that you can see what my foot is doing. So the faster version, let's do 4 in a row. It's a little bit tough on this skinny board, but here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. And forward facing view, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. These tend to not move very much, so you kind of have to force yourself to walk. They walk easier when you're not going fast, so they walk easier when you're doing them a little bit slower. When you do them fast, you tend to just kind of breeze through them. They tend to stay in place. Okay, so let's do just 4 more in a row, each side, just practicing them at that quick tempo so that we can get more practice. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And left side last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.